Hey, this is Steve Stevens from Billy Idol, and you're watching Guitar and Bass Online.
All right. Steve, we're here in Hamburg. You're on tour with Billy Idol. Can you tell me something about this tour and the excitement that you have as being part of this band?
Yeah, well, we're actually we're playing 4 new songs from a new record that's coming out in October. That's produced by Trevor Horn, and it's been incredible from the moment we got here to Europe, and certainly the German audiences have been with Billy and so supportive for well over 30 years now. It's like we feel like it's coming home to them, and they're just great.
All right. Steve, there are 10 guitars on your side of the stage, a few beautiful ones from Neck Guitars, and there is a brand new one.
Sure.
Can you give 2 or 3 sentences to that?
Yeah, this will be the second Nags SS model guitar. We do 100 of each, and we'll be introducing SS2 in January 2015, and I'm road testing it now. This is a prototype guitar, and it's a pretty awesome instrument, and I hope people will check it out. Nags is an incredible company, and they're really, really good guitars.
Can you tell me what is the philosophy of the second model, of your second signature model?
The difference between SS1 and SS2 is this is more of a traditional guitar. There's no pink on the guitar. First one was black with pink binding. Initially, I think this will be cream with a tortoise shell, and very traditional setup on this guitar. Slightly steeper neck headstock angle, a little bit higher string tension that way, and a Tune-o-matic style bridge done by Tone Pros. Slightly different body to shift the weight so it's even more comfortable when you're standing, and the guitar doesn't fall neck heavy or any of this kind of stuff. And it's got all the usual Nags things like access to the upper frets, which is brilliant, and a slight cutout for your stomach, and it's a super comfortable guitar.
All right. They will be limited on 100 models. That's and right. All handmade in the US.
Yeah,
that's important for you, right?
It is. Yeah. I believe that I wouldn't want to promote an instrument that I wouldn't want to play, and the fact is that I can call up Nags, or anyone, if they order one, can call up and speak to Joe Nags and say, hey, I'd like to order a guitar like this or that, and get a custom ordered guitar, and there's 9 people at the company. I know the guy who's going to do the frets and the wiring and everything, and I personally, I like that kind of situation.
All right, thank you very much. Good luck.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye.